Hello everyone and welcome to the video. If you're a day trader like me, you've probably gone on YouTube searching for things like best indicator to make thousands a day. Well, I plan to put on these indicators to a test. For each one, I'll be backtesting it over the past 30 days from the day I start. For example, if I begin on March 15th, I'll review the data from February 15th onward. If I start near the end of the month, I'll simply just go back to the start of the month. My goal is simple: to find profitable indicators that actually work. Hopefully use them and become a millionaire. Before we begin, remember, this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. If you attempt to follow anything I do, you risk losing money. Potentially a lot. Remember, I'm just some random guy on the internet you found, so trade at your own risk. For the setup, I'll be testing these indicators on the futures market, specifically the NASDAQ or NQ. While these indicators may work on other securities like Forex or bonds or stocks, I'm only interested in futures, because I can use prop firms to make money potentially. If you'd like to watch the original video where I've found this strategy, the link will be in the description down below. For this test, I'll be using the Trend Reversal Probability Indicator by ALGO-ALPHA. And as a second confirmation, we'll be using the MACD. For the trend indicator, I'm leaving the settings at default. However, the original video mentions that increasing the oscillator's length improves accuracy, so I'll test that as well. For the MACD, under the Style tab, simply turn off the MACD and signal lines. The strategy is, when the trend reversal starts plotting arrows, we'll wait until it stops plotting them. Then we'll look for a matching candle color and MACD confirmation before taking the trade. Here's an example. Right here we have a bullish trend, and right here it's plotting arrows to go to the downside. Once it flips to the color red, we're going to start looking for our entry. So right here, we have a red candle, and on the MACD, it's also red. So there you go, that's the confirmation for a short. And you aim for a 1:1.5 risk ratio. Now, is this the correct way? I don't know. This is how the strategy was in the video I watched. But in this case example, if you hold the position past the close, it would have been a full win. However, most prop firms require positions to be closed before the futures markets closes. So if you were using a prop firm, you would have secured 15.25 points or 61 ticks. Or if you're using your own capital or a specific account in prop firms that allow you to hold it past the close, you would have secured 44 points or 176 ticks. And this is the results using the 1 minute over the course of March. Right here we have the dates, and right underneath when I read it closed, that's just the same date, same trade, it's just it had to be closed. And these are P&Ls adding in with commissions, and this is just one contract the whole way, so micros are right here if you were to use those instead. But for the P&L, if you're using a cash account or a prop firm that allows you to hold past the close, you would have ended the month with minus $150. And if you did use a prop, minus $680. And a win-loss ratio of 38%. For the 2 minute, if you're using a cash account, you would have made $175. For a prop account, you would have lost $425. Win-loss ratio, 33%. For the 5 minute, we would have had $215 for both cash and prop firm, 66% win rate. But again, low sample size, so take it with a grain of salt. And this is the 1 minute using 100 oscillators, so technically this should be higher win chance, but it had way more trades in it. Win-loss ratio of a 30% chance. Right here, if you were to use the cash account, you would have secured $1,110, but if you were to use a prop account, you would have had negative $3,200. If you guys have any tips, just leave a comment down below. Tell me how this could be better. Maybe you got a better strategy. Maybe you got like a better indicator. Let me know down below and I might make a video on it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, maybe leave a like. I know the whole drawing style is a bit childish, but I figure it's more engaging than just me posting just a random screen that doesn't really move and all that. But I'll be coming out with more videos to see if I can get rich with certain indicators or just woodworking or Etsy or whatever there is. Let's see if we can become a millionaire one day. And again, not financial advice. You'll lose everything.